Hi everyone, today's video was sent to me by a viewer, and I started to watch this actually, and I stopped because what I was hearing I knew deserved a reaction video. It's I Should Tell Your Mom on You, but the beginning of it is Nature Boy, and I had never heard Nature Boy before, and so the first few bars just had me floored, so I wanted to share it with you.
One magic day, he passed my way. He spoke to me of many for kings. This he said to me, the greatest thing you're it's just to love and be loved in return. Here we go. You get my arms from me. So now get up for sure. I'm saying, I should tell your mama on it, yeah. You get my folks rolling big, yeah. We be so close, holding hands, yeah. Kicking your door to show you I ain't playing, I ain't playing. I should tell your mama on it, yeah. For what? For smoking on that granddaddy, yeah. And make you wanna slap your granddaddy, yeah. And make you wanna hit that happy teddy. When I do it, girl, you make me happy. So we about to get high with it. And yeah, you claim that you don't like me with it. And after hours now I'm rolling with it. She keep me Nike's in it. Yeah. Hey, now here we go. You get my own best friend. Sit up your door for show me I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I should tell your mama on you. Rolling hands, yeah. We be so close, holding hands. Kicking your door to show you I ain't playing, I ain't playing. I should tell your mama on you. Who else? Well, they should lay a Tasha on you. Treasures might be Tasha on you. Regina, little Tina on you. Sit that down and pole on you. Might just stick a hobo on you. And there's your auntie and your uncle on you. Yeah, you get me out. Don't have me shoot my jumper. Wow! You get my own friends. Stand up and don't show me I'm saying. I'm saying. I should tell your mama on it. For what? I do nothing. For what? I didn't do nothing. Here we go again. Me and my little friend. You know you don't show me I'm the same. I'm the same. I should tell your mama on you. Yeah, me and my folks rolling in. We be so low, rolling in. You don't show me I ain't playing. I ain't playing.
Okay, first, Scott, I think it's pretty impressive that he did that live. And I thought it was interesting to hear PTX kind of join in with him instead of his sort of solo song that I saw before. It was really nice. Now, Mitchell, Grassi, I mean, how literally brought me to tears. And the first few bars that I saw, it actually started to make me kind of get a little weepy. That was probably the most beautiful vocal I'd ever heard. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it and give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.